Hello friends, today I'm going to talk to you about profitability. Profitability is, I'm sure, an interesting topic. Whether we are an employer or an employee, whether we own the organization or we work in it, we are always thinking or talking about profitability. 5 ways to increase profitability from a financial perspective. Number 1, let's look at leverage. Leverage means the money that is borrowed has an interest cost, and the money, when it is used in the business, earns money. If there is a difference, a positive difference, it is therefore creating what is called leverage. How to calculate that is obviously a technical calculation, but fairly easy. So first is leverage. The second is cost. Managing cost requires us to understand cost. To understand cost, we must be able to classify it into direct, indirect, or fixed and variable. If we classify the cost, we can manage it better. Third is to understand our investments. When we look at our investments, we need to understand what are they doing with our break-even. Are they increasing our variable cost or are they reducing it? When we understand that, we can understand whether the investments that we are making any sense for the organization or not. The fourth way to increase the profitability of a business from a financial perspective is to look at payback periods. So when we make investments, how much time does it take to recover that money? Because if it is taking too much time, then that's money locked up. If it's coming back very fast, then perhaps it's not generating the sort of assets that it is supposed to. So what is optimal comes from there. And the last, fifth way is to look at financial efficiency, which means how do we measure whether our money is rotating in the right way or not? Is it rotating optimally? If it's rotating too slow, it means that we will be suffering cash crunches. If it's rotating too fast, it would mean that we have surplus money in the business and we are not generating enough money. So the 5 ways essentially are looking at leverage, looking at costs, looking at break-even, payback period, and looking at financial efficiency. If we can understand these, we can definitely increase the profitability. If you really want to know more about increasing profitability in your business, please click on the link below and join me for a masterclass in finance. I promise you that it will be a class which will empower you. It will teach you not only the knowledge but also the skills and help you to become more aware financially.